लॉयर एंड एडवोकेट, लॉ प्रोफेशंस की दो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स। पर क्या फर्क है इन दो वर्ड्स में? क्या ये दोनों सेम हैं? हम कब एक लॉयर को एडवोकेट बोल सकते हैं? और इन सभी सवालों के जवाब जानने के लिए आपको इस वीडियो को पूरा देखना है और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है। सबसे पहले हम समझ लेते हैं कि लॉ प्रोफेशन में एंटर करने के लिए क्या क्या ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है। नंबर 1, 5-year integrated course. Number 2, 3-year course. After your secondary school education, you can go with 5-year integrated course which has these options. And if you go for a 3-year LLB course, you first need to have a bachelor's degree. And after completing the course, you will be a lawyer, not an advocate. And now, let's understand the differences between a lawyer and an advocate. A lawyer is a person who is still studying law or is a holder of a law degree. Whereas, an advocate is a person who holds the law degree and has cleared all India bar exam. And if we talk about their experiences, a lawyer can be experienced or not because he might be still pursuing his graduation degree. On the other hand, an advocate is trained hard to deal with real life situations in the court. Now, let's talk about their work areas. Lawyers provide legal assistance and advice to their clients. They work on various legal matters such as drafting legal documents and conducting legal research. Whereas an advocate mostly does the duty of representing their clients in the court. So now we have understood the differences between a lawyer and advocate. Now let's understand how can a lawyer be an advocate. For example, राज एक लॉ स्टूडेंट जिसने अभी अपनी ग्रेजुएशन BLLB में कंप्लीट की है XYZ यूनिवर्सिटी से और अब वो एक एडवोकेट बनना चाहता है। उसने रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए अपने डॉक्यूमेंट स्टेट बार काउंसिल में सबमिट कराए हैं। रजिस्ट्रेशन कराने के बाद राज को ऑल इंडिया बार एग्जाम को क्लियर करना होगा, जिसके लिए उसके पास 2 साल है। एंड वंस ही क्लियर इट, he will get a certificate of practice and finally he will become an advocate. And now he can practice the law all over India after the certificate. And that's how you understood how you can become an advocate after a lawyer. I hope your doubts are clear now. If you have any query regarding law course, drop your queries in the comment box. And for further information, do visit our website www.aimlay.com and book an appointment for the course. Thanks for watching the video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.